Hey, I'm Chase Howell and you're watching Throttle Thursday. Today, we're looking at my Challenger. I love this car, but the problem is with the spoiler, the clear coat's just peeling right off. I mean, it's disgusting. That's not what your paint's supposed to do. But in the mail today, just came in, got a new spoiler. It should be all black, so it should stand out more. It should look really good. Let's check it out. Got my safety scissors. Here we go. Here we go. Moment of truth. Oh yeah. Now we're talking. Okay, here we go. First look. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. This is gonna look good. The new black spoiler on the back. I'm excited. Woo. There it is next to the old one. It's gonna look nice on the Challenger. Let's put this puppy in. Okay, got the spoiler off. It's a little nasty, and it was a little harder than I thought it'd be. Those screws that were in it were awful. They just got all stripped out. I had to drill them out, but it's off. We're gonna clean it up and put the new one on. I took some rubbing alcohol to it and now it's nice and clean back here. Well, clean enough. It's going to get covered by the new spoiler, so it's time to put it on. See how this looks.
I got off big time. Very nice.
We got Scott here too, Lucy's car. The BMW that got a new exhaust. We're going to take that little Bentley Auto sticker off the back too. We're going to get the back of both these cars looking good today. That's good. No. This is coming off real easy. Oh yeah.
Nice.
Easy stuff. We're gonna have to do a rev battle later.
What? Oh.
A rev battle. You want to?
I'll win.
We'll see about that. Super clean. Lucy got it off, no problem. It's all clean now. Man, you can't even tell it was ever there. Didn't even need a hair dryer. Nice work.
It's like 100
Super
degrees.
clean. Probably. Here we go. Finishing it up. Oh. Don't mind me. Let's not tighten it down completely yet. Let's go to the side. Okay, now let's go back. Make sure he's tightened up all the way. Okay, take a step back. You ready? Here's the big reveal. Ooh, that looks good. I like the black.
Good. It matches the.
It does. It pops out a whole lot more than the red too.
Here she is.
I like it. Ooh. Looking clean. We're gonna have a little rev battle.